FabFitFun and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing more of a lifestyle type video. I'm going to be doing another unsponsored FabFitFun box. This is the summer box. A little bit about FabFitFun. This is only my second box, but it is going to be a seasonal box or quarterly, however you want to say it. I think your first one you usually can get for like $50 or $40, I can't remember. And then the second one goes up like $10 from there on out. And you can always do add-ons. So I got emails saying, hey, do you want to add on this or this? And you can choose different items that you would like to add on. I have not added on anything to this box or my previous video, so if you want to take a look at that, be free to do so. Last time I actually saw a whole bunch of spoilers from different ads on like social media on what was in the box. This one I have actually avoided a lot of spoilers, and I have actually not seen that many ads on it, maybe because I am subscribed now, and so not as many video or ads are popping up for me to actually do so. So let's get into the summer box. So I'm going to open it. As you can see, it's super cute in here. So you get a little FabFitFun magazine, and I'm pretty sure this tells you exactly what is in it or different picks that you can do. So it's like what's in the box and the values of everything. So I'm going to open this up so I know. I'm so excited, especially since I actually don't know. It has this cute tissue paper wrap, so it looks all cute and it's like a little present seasonally for yourself. And I'm actually already super excited. I got the Wonder Beauty, has some eye masks in here, and this is valued at $25. There is, looks like it's a 6-pack, so it comes in these little things to open. Wonder Beauty I've heard so many things about, and I have yet to try it, so I'm really excited to try that out. And so it's a baggage claim gold eye mask, and it's like leave your bags at baggage claim, and it has hyaluronic acid, aloe vera extract, and lavender for deeply hydrating the skin, which I really appreciate because I do get a lot of dark circles under my eyes, so that'll be really nice. Next, I am going to pull out this. So it's a Hydro Peptide Moisturize Reset Facial Oil, which I've actually been getting a little bit more into facial oils. So let's see if I can find this in here. Yeah, this, oh my god, is $120. That is crazy. So I'm really excited about that, actually. Next is, it's an anti-wrinkle and restore, which is nice because I've actually been wanting to get more into anti-wrinkle stuff. So it's better to jump on the game and prevent wrinkles before they happen. So next is, Beach Mist Botanical After Sun Spray. And this is $42. So you get really good quality stuff in here. So after sun spray, which will be really nice, it's reset and refresh your skin with aloe, mint, and lavender mixture. Let's see how this smells. It's super cute. Doesn't really smell like a whole lot. Maybe I'll open it here. Okay, it's pretty like refreshing, but also a little bit lavendery. And I think I'll really like that, especially being so pale, and just being out in the sun is like, you know, a lot. You get all sweaty and gross. Huh, that smells nice too. I just opened up that hyaluronic peptide, that huge ticket item thing. Throw those away. Next is a face and body ice roller. That'll be super nice for the summer as well. Let's see, this is $30. And I was going to try to open it to show you what it is. It's a lot of work. So I'm pretty sure you put this in the freezer or something, and it has this metal, ooh, that's real nice, metal plate, and you just do this, and you can do it around your eyes, so it helps wake them up and reduce puffiness, so that way you look more refreshed, which, again, in the summer, that's amazing. And then there's this, is Riddle Oil Original Roll-On. Oh, this is a perfume. So this perfume mixes with your personal chemistry and creates a signature scent that's unique to you. Oh, let's see. I want to see if it has a smell. It has like a little bit of a nice refreshing smell. I'm going to put this on now, on here, and then on my neck, and then in my arms. And see if I smell a difference between what it smells like in the container. But this is $50, so that's pretty nice, and it's a cute, and how small it is, and it's $50. So it must be good. So far it just smells like what it smells like in the container, so we'll see as it sets. Next is this Makeup Drop Hybrid Makeup Applicator, which, of course, if you're on this channel, you know me, I love makeup. Obviously, my channel is kind of based off of that. So, this is a $20 sponge, which is pretty average for those better quality sponges. I would say, well, not better quality, but like the Beauty Blender sponges are $20, so this is about the same. I wanted to see the texture because I like the more, I can't even open this. Chip some nail polish on the way, but I got this. But I like the nice and, well, that feels like, especially when I get wet, it'll be nice. But actually has a silicone side and latex-free sponge to give your makeup a flawless finish. That actually feels really nice and smooth, so it might be good for like under eye conceal. Oh, that fits like perfectly under my eyes. So that'll be nice. I'm gonna save this for when my other one gets gross because I just opened up a new one pretty recently. Next is this Kate Somerville Goat Milk Moisturizing Cream, which is $65. So you get a lot. Pretty much this is more expensive than the box itself, and this is one product, let alone there's all these other ones that are crazy expensive too. So it says, growing up with eczema, my mom would put goat's milk in my bath. So this is probably really good for someone who has more sensitive skin or maybe even texturized skin. So I'm excited about getting these products too that are more quality based. Ooh, that is so creamy. Of course, because it's goat's milk. It doesn't really have a scent either, so that's really nice. Conditions and restores. I got a little bit on my hand, so I'm gonna just put that on my neck. Moisturize your neck, guys. Oh, and it says it is made with recycled material, printed on recycled paper, packaged in 25% ocean waste. Oh, that's cute. And there's actually a little promo code too. So I'll link that at the bottom, so if you guys want to actually buy that yourself. And then let's dig in here. This is like the last item, and it's a cute bag, it looks like. Let me unwrap this. Let's see how much this is. This is a Draper James straw bag with a floral scarf. Okay. I'm not huge into bags, but this is a pretty cute summery bag, so if you're going out, cute, and it has this cute like tied on bow, which you could probably use this as like a hair scarf too if you'd like. And it's not too big inside, but it's spacious enough, and it has a zipper pocket on the side here too. So this would be cute to bring to like a farmer's market or something. This is actually pretty cute. Maybe I'll use it today. So that is everything in my box. Every box is a little bit different just depending on what exactly you want. So all members will get either this, or there's a tie-dye towel, which this is perfect because I don't go to the beach or the pool really as much as I'd love to. I am in Utah, and especially right now, you really can't. So, and there are things on here that you can, it's a FabFitFun will surprise you with 3 options you think you'll love. And so that was this for me. And I do kind of wish, based off of here, there's some cool sunscreens on here. I would love to try that. Maybe I'll just buy that on my own, but I haven't yet because it's $36. So yeah. And the beach mist was one of those, and same with this little ice roller thing, so that's really nice. And then everyone gets, let's see what the select members get, the green type things. Oh. Yeah, so there's different things in here. But it goes over all to detail, so you do get a lot of bang for your buck. For $60, you get really nice, good quality products that are pretty expensive too. So that's really nice, and it has a whole different magazine that goes into different stuff. So it's like Gabby Douglas, workout, self-care, and staying grounded. Little article, a whole bunch of little different stuff in here. I won't go too much into it. And one thing I noticed too on this box is on the top here it says in support of Special Olympics, which is really cool that they're actually supporting some sort of good for the world. And so I really appreciate that about them. I don't know if my last box said that. I didn't notice anything, and of course it is in the trash now. But yeah, I was really happy with this box. I'm really excited to try some of these different things, like some of this skincare stuff I'm really excited about. And yeah, maybe I'll put some stuff in here today, as it is Father's Day. You're probably seeing this a week after Father's Day. And go to my parents' house, you know, typical stuff for Father's Day. Anyways, I'll probably use that today just to try it out and see how I like it, and kind of flip through this magazine. And yeah, but I appreciate you guys watching. I hope you like this type of video on trying FabFitFun box. If you would like for me to switch to a different box and do a little bit of unsponsored reviews with that, I would love to do that for you. I'd probably switch from this box to another box to try it instead of doing multiple in one, because I just don't have the money to do so many subscription boxes. But yeah, just let me know. I would love for your guys' feedback on different things. If you've tried one of these products, let me know how you like it. Update on that perfume. I feel like it just smells really fresh. Maybe not really my to my scent, but I do feel like it probably lasts long on my skin because of how it is produced. So we'll talk to you guys later, and we'll see you again next time. Bye!